Right, so in today's video, I'm going to be going over why this is the best time to be buying into Quant, and if you do not have QNT in your portfolio, then you may want to watch till the very end of this video. Now, I do like to mention that nothing on the Cryptoverse channel is financial advice, so yeah, I just want to clear things up over there, but yeah, let's just hop into this video. Now, QNT currently sitting at $104, and the reason why this is potentially the best time to actually buy into QNT is because you may not see QNT actually fall lower than $100. Now, we've seen in the past couple of months that QNT has been sitting above $100 and it's been touching this line of support of $100 to $97 numerous times, right? It touched it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th time it actually broke down all the way to $85, which was a great accumulation. A great time to actually accumulate some more quant at a cheaper price, because it's kind of tough to actually get a cheap price on quant because of the solid community. People are not willing to sell their bags, to sell their QNT tokens because of the project itself. It's a solid project and people believe in the future of Quant, and of course what Gilbert Verdian's vision is with QNT and the overledger, right? So this potentially may be the best time to actually buy into QNT. But like I said, it's not financial advice, it's just my opinion. I'm just a guy sitting in my room in London just talking about Quant, right? I'm just a quant, I'm just a lover of Quant, right? And of course I'm going to be buying into more Quant straight after this video, and of course just because I'm buying into it doesn't mean you guys have to. But yeah, like I said, with BTC obviously going above 35k in the recent hours, it's been touching 35k about 1, 2, 3 times today, and of course now it's starting to break out of 35k of this resistance over here. So we may see QNT actually push even further, but of course if you are a QNT holder and you've been holding for the past couple of months or so, you know it's hard for this chart to actually move. In the recent hours, there was actually a buyer who flooded in $5.12 million, and it was probably some sort of institution, and it barely moved the chart. So yeah, people are flooding in a lot of money at this point. Maybe, well, knowing that this is probably the best time you're going to be getting a cheap price of QNT at $104, and of course we're looking at QNT actually bouncing off of $97, but of course it is highly dependent on BTC and what happens with BTC. I reckon with BTC what's going to happen is, with the breakdown on the 3rd of May 2022, a lot of people have been waiting to actually get out of Bitcoin. A lot of people who invested here thinking that it's going to be going up 25%, or it's gonna go back up to 68k from this point. People probably put in a lot of money at around this area, and they're going to be waiting to actually get out of their position over here, right? So those people who actually put in a shit ton of money over there, they were down 58%, and it's been 545 days for them to actually come back to break even. So a lot of people are going to be at break even at this point, so this is a massive resistance point. So we're going to see BTC actually go to 37.5k in my opinion, and then from there it will probably come straight back down to 35k. And of course, depending on the pump on BTC, if it does go to 37.5k, we may see QNT actually break $109 and maybe come all the way up to 115 at around this area. You can't really call the market precisely, but of course I'm just giving you guys my sort of judgment on where I see QNT actually heading through my experience of just looking at these charts on a daily basis, right? So those of you guys who actually don't look at charts on a daily basis, you wouldn't really judge the charts and where a certain coin will go precisely. But of course, with myself, as I'm looking at these charts every single day, I know how prices move. And of course, if a BTC does hit 37.5k, which is highly likely since it's breaking 35k and has reached a new recent ATH, it is most likely to go ahead and reach 37.5k. And of course, with the kind of technicals over here, it's a strong buy, as it says over here on TradingView. Very strong buy, and it's you can't really stop the bulls at this moment, you know, as we've seen in the past recent years. You know, when a token is free flowing and when a token is looking strong on the buy side, it's very hard for it to not come down. So BTC is probably going to see a continuation all the way up to 37.5k, and depending on that, we will probably see QNT break $110. So that's my personal opinion on what I see happening with QNT. So in my opinion, this is the best time to actually buy into QNT. I bought in a lot of QNT at around $100 since it's the best price in my opinion. And of course, with the strong community and a very limited supply, people are not willing to sell their QNT bags. So yeah, that's the reason why I definitely do think this is the best time to buy QNT. But yeah, that's it with today's video. It's just a short overview on the current market. Obviously, the current market is green, and a short overview on what is happening with QNT. If you want more of these sort of quick update videos on the price and kind of just analysis on the short-term future, yeah, subscribe, turn on post notification bells on, and like the video, of course, if you did enjoy it. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.